Shubh Deepavali to everyone. Let's begin today's session of Verilog coding with me. Today we will be seeing about vectors. Just a second. Vectors. So what are vectors? Vectors are used to group related signals using one name to make it more convenient to manipulate. Here is the example. It is showing it wire is of 8-bit data with name W. So here is the explanation. We have to write the code for this circuit. In the diagram, a tick mark with a number indicates vector. So we have to write the. So we can see here the input is of 3-bit vector and your output is of 3-bit vector. So let's start coding. This statement represents all the bits of the vector. So for this we have to select individual bit as an output. For 0, bit 0, for 1, bit 1, and for 2, bit 2. So let's write of 0 equal to vector of 0 means output 0 has a vector bit 0. O of 1, this has a vector bit 1. It's O of 2 has a vector bit 2. So let's submit. So as you can see, compiling process has been started. As you can see, the status is success, and this is our timing diagram. So we will go for the next one, vector 1. So we are declaring vectors. Here is how you can declare a vector. Type, upper bit, lower bit, and vector name. So here are the examples you can see. So there is lot of info you can refer here. Now let's go to practice. Build a combination circuit that split an input half word. Half word means 16 bits. 15:0 into lower bit and upper bits. So let's see the code. So let's go with the coding. So we can see the code. Assign output of high. So we have to split the vector. So in of. So output high. High means higher bits. So 15:8. And same we have to do with the lower bits. Assign low equal to 7:0. 15. So let's submit. So the compiling process has been started. So as you can see, there is an error. So as you can see, there was a syntax error. So we have to write in front of the vector. So let's submit. So as you can see, compiling process has been started. There is no error so far. So as you can see, the status is success, and here is the timing diagram. So that's all for today. On next Sunday we will see about more about the vectors.